Okay, Bismillah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I am Awul.
Yeah, and I am Haidar, Muhammad Haidar Ramadan.
We'll demo about our final project.
Yes, about Roblox Studio project.
So our game name is The Abandon on Roblox. You may play it. So we'll click start here. So this game is about a maze.
Yeah, it's like
puzzle.
Yeah, a puzzle game. So we need to escape from the room.
Yes.
As fast as we can, as fast as possible.
And this is the game. 1 minute. Still loading.
Rendering, still rendering.
Okay.
Okay, done.
As you can see here, this is the first map.
This is our lobby.
Yes,
our
spawn
lobby.
point. Then you can click F for flashlight, and then C for crouch, and then
Q for
zoom in
zoom
and
zoom out.
Okay. So the first thing that we need to do
We need to open the ventilation by pulling the lever.
Yes. So this is the lever that we need to pull.
By the way, there is someone that had to pulling the lever, so
okay. So we need to press
yeah.
C to crouch to here, and then we must go. Okay. So this is the true way actually, but this is the wrong way. And in this game, if you go to the wrong way, there will be a sign that show that notice to you. See that, so that if that's appears, so that's the wrong way. So you make sure if you don't want to make that thing, so you need to
find the true way.
Yes, find the true way. So this is the true way here. It is the same. This wrong, and then this
the true one.
Okay. So after here there will be a creature, so we need to run. Okay, so but he cannot go to the stair, so we just go
go to
up
the second level. And by the way, if we touch the creature, so our health bar will be getting less.
Yes, so the creature will
or getting minus.
give us some damage. And there are two creatures there. If you see before, I will show to you. What is it? They supposed to be around here. Oh, that's behind us. Okay, so we got chased by the creature. How? Because we need to search this door and then close it, so they will not go and then chase us again. That's the easy thing, that two creature, and there are two doors here. The first door is the wrong door actually. If you open, there will be something touch me. If you touch it, you will get something scary.
And also, actually the creature will not that give you much damage. It's not that damages, but he only they only give us one damage. Every time we touch the creature, we will got one damage, one less damage.
And that's why if the creature touch you, they will automatically will touch you for it, like will touch you always touch you. So they will spam the damage.
We
And
try
here,
to
actually we must go there. Yeah, everything bright here or portal is our mission, but in here before there is white thing, and then if we go, there will be tunnel, so it means that's wrong way. And then this do not enter, and then we must go to here. Wait a minute. Okay, and this also a fake checkpoint. Okay, so we must go straight forward, and then we will meet this stair. So we may click shift or run,
shift to run and then jump.
Yes, then we may jump until go to the up of the tunnel. Okay, so in here our mission is to go straight forward of the sewer.
This is our last mission, also our last level.
And in the front, in the front there will be
And there will
some
be some creature
that will
that will chase
us.
us. They will chase us
This is the
forever.
first creature here. We must avoid him. Okay. So if we can fight him, yeah, he will chase us. Oops, and be careful. There are some hole here. If you
Yeah,
can see it,
that's one of the trap.
that's one of the traps. So while get chased by a creature, yeah, you must focus here, because there are hole. If you go to the hole, you will
Fall down.
fall down, and then yeah, you will get eliminated from the game, and you must restart from
The first
stair,
level,
yeah,
yeah.
from the stair.
From the stairs.
Try using phone.
The sewer stairs.
Okay, and then here there are another another fake checkpoint. Okay, so here
And also, in this game, we need to manage our stamina as good as we can. So
we must
yeah,
manage our stamina.
as can as we can, as good as we can, because if we always use our stamina, later there will be a creature that will chase you, and then you
get
have
you
no
easily.
stamina.
Yes. So in here, the second creature here, we must avoid him by using stamina here. Okay. As you can see, before he touch us, so one bar get decrease. Okay, so we need to run here, and then careful, there are another hole. Okay, so we must run here. Okay, so you see the white portal there.
Yeah, that's our finish
That's our
line.
finish line. So we must go straight there. Okay. So actually there are one creature here. After this, you can see it. Okay. See in down there, maybe. Yeah, in down there. That's the creature also. But
Yeah.
actually, if you want to go to there, yeah, you may go there. But he will chase us. He will chase you. So you may be kinda hard to go to the finish. But because we don't want to go to there, yes, because he will chase us and give us some damage. So we must go straight forward of this.
And then after that, we will got a finish. Yeah,
So
we
we
got
touch
game
it,
over,
and then we
or
got
the finish
finish
line.
line. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for watch our video,
Yes,
and
thank you.
thank you
Thank you
for
for
watch.
watching.
And
Yes.
last we
Last we
said,
said is
Wassalamualaikum
wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.